Hey guys, welcome back. This is Han with DIY with Han, and today I am back in my room and I woke up very motivated. I just want to go on here, share with you an intro of how I organize and put away my clean laundry. The way I folded it and the way I put it away follows the Marie Kondo method, the KONMARI method, that just have been effective, and I even had my husband get on to this. He did this all by himself, and I'm just kind of encouraging him and keeping up with what he came up with, which is the KONMARI method of file folding your clothes so that you can kind of rotate through your clothes better and you can see everything and you actually can save a lot of space. So stay tuned, and I hope you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in a future video. Okay, you ready? Let's go. The KONMARI method is pretty simple. Pretty much it's broken down by three things. First, you go by category and you see everything that you own. Then you purge, which is what her saying, if the item sparks you joy or not. And if it doesn't, you get rid of it, donate it, or throw away. And lastly, compartmentalize, which is just to subcategorize. Here you see that I have a whole drawer of socks, but I do have these 4 bins inside his sock drawer so that it kind of divides up smaller socks from larger socks, athletic socks to dress socks. And then here I have a drawer of undergarments, his under t-shirts and his underwear. And then you see these are 2 drawers full of t-shirts, and so he was forced to purge some t-shirts because they don't fit in those 2 drawers. And then I have the drawer for long pants, I have a drawer for his pajama pants, and then for my stuff I have a drawer of my tank tops on the left and my sports bras on the right, and then I have my shorts, and then my t-shirts, and then I have my leggings, and then I have my tennis skirts, and then I have a whole drawer of bras. And now I'm going to purge and also reorganize my sweatshirts. And first I did it vertically and then I changed it to horizontally because it just makes space more efficient. And then I have a second drawer of t-shirts, and then also jerseys for our sports teams that we like. And then my socks and my underwear, and then now I'm purging my pajamas. Same thing, I took everything out, purged, and compartmentalized into file folder system. And then lastly, I'm hanging my clothes that need to be hung, and I'm done. Have a good day, everyone. See you later. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired.